With worldwide search reaching up to 100% increment, this multi-billion-dollar industry, estimated to be worth $12 billion, has been making waves. In this video, we take a delve into this industry to understand how it works. You're wondering what this industry is? It is none other than affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in its most basic form, is simply recommending a product or service to a prospective buyer. And after a successful transaction, commission is earned. Affiliate dates back to the pre-digital time, and they were known as middlemen, connecting buyers to sellers. In modern times, affiliate marketing is now digitalized, and everything can be done from the comfort of your bed. Affiliate marketers utilize various social media platforms to promote products and find customers, such as blogs, websites, YouTube channels, Facebook pages, TikTok, and much more. As an affiliate marketer, you can either work with an affiliate marketplace or directly with a brand that has an affiliate program. Some popular affiliate marketplaces are Affiliate Future, AvantLink, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, Link Connector, and ExpertNear. Some of these marketplaces may require a registration fee, and due to country restrictions, some may require the use of VPN. Some advantages of affiliate marketing are: it is easy to execute, it is a low-risk business, it is easy to scale. 5 common ways in which affiliate marketers get paid are: 1. Pay per sale. This system only pays the marketer when a sale is made using the marketer's unique referral link. Pay per sale is also known as cost per sale. 2. Pay per action. After agreeing on a particular action, which can be registration, download, or any other, the marketer is paid only when the action is done once again using the marketer's unique referral link. Pay per action is also referred to as cost per action. 3. Pay per install. This payment is mostly used for mobile applications, where marketers are paid for every download done using their referral link. 4. Pay per lead. This system rewards affiliates for bringing potential customers on board. And lastly, 5. Pay per click. Like the name implies, in this model, affiliates are paid each time one of their ads is clicked. Would you like to become an affiliate marketer in Nigeria? Then follow these steps. Pick your platform and method. Decide your niche. Find your products and choose your first affiliate program. This is brought to you by Deals Market Nigeria. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever we post a new video.